If you're experiencing crashes while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for running Roblox. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, and graphics capabilities. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your device. Step 3. Clear cache and temporary files. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Go to your device's settings, find the storage or application settings, and clear the cache for Roblox. Step 4. Disable background applications. Running multiple applications can strain your system resources. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background before launching Roblox to improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Roblox experience and reduce crashing issues. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.